Imagine that this is a real house. How do we draw the front elevation of the house on a piece of paper? If we draw the front elevation in full scale, it will be too large to fit on the piece of paper. So, we should use a suitable scale to make the drawing smaller. In this way, we can still draw the front elevation for this house. For this first example, you are given a cube. Draw the front elevation of the cube as viewed from X by using a scale of 1 to 50. Click on the Solution button to view the steps on how to calculate the measurements for the elevation. First, you should determine the part of the object which is referred to for the front elevation of the object. For this cube, the front elevation as viewed from X is on a vertical plane parallel to ABCD. So, the front elevation will be a square. However, this time we need to draw the front elevation to scale. For example, the length of DC is 2 meters. Based on the instruction given, we will use the scale 1 to 50. Convert 2 meters to centimeters. We know that each side of a cube has the same length. So, we just find the length of one side and apply to all. DC equals HG, which is equal to 1 over 50 times 2 meters. 2 meters is equal to 200 centimeters. So, we have 1 over 50 times 200 centimeters, which equals 4 centimeters. Hence, now we can draw the front elevation of the cube, which is a square with sides of 4 centimeters in length. Second example. Draw the front elevation of the given pyramid as viewed from X by using a scale of 1 to 200. Click on the Solution button to view the steps on how to calculate the measurements for the elevation. The front elevation as viewed from X is the orthogonal projection of the pyramid on the vertical plane perpendicular to ABCD. Given AB and BC are both 10 meters in length, and the side length is 30 meters. We are to use a scale of 1 to 200. We know AB equals BC equals CD equals AD, which is 10 meters. So, 1 over 200 times 10 meters is equal to 1 over 200 times 1000 centimeters. Therefore, the length for each side of the base is 5 centimeters. We are also given the side length, which is 30 meters. So we have 1 over 200 times 30 meters, which is equal to 1 over 200 times 3000 centimeters. Therefore, the side length is 15 centimeters. Now, we can draw the front elevation. Start with the base first and draw a line of length 5 centimeters. Then, use a pair of compasses to measure 15 centimeters, and then draw 2 strokes to mark the vertex. Then, draw the side lengths. Thus, we have the front elevation of the pyramid whose scale is 1 to 200. Third example. Draw the front elevation of the given solid object as viewed from X by using a scale of 1 to 10. As before, click on the Solution button to view the steps on how to calculate the measurements for the elevation. For this object, the front elevation as viewed from X is the orthogonal projection of the vertical plane parallel to ABCDEF. Given the length of AB is 50 centimeters, AF is 40 centimeters, JI is 20 centimeters, IH is 25 centimeters, and BH is 100 centimeters, and the scale to be used is 1 to 10. We should first convert the measurements for AB, AF, FE, ED, and CB for the front elevation according to the given scale. AB is equal to 1/10 times 50 centimeters, which is equal to 5 centimeters. AF is equal to 1/10 times 40 centimeters, which is equal to 4 centimeters. FE is equal to 1/10 times 30 centimeters, which is equal to 3 centimeters. ED is equal to 1/10 times 15 centimeters, which is equal to 1.5 centimeters. And CB is equal to 1/10 times 25 centimeters, which is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Based on these measurements, we draw the front elevation of the solid object. Fourth example. Draw the front elevation of the given prism as viewed from X using a scale of 1 to 40. The prism is on a horizontal plane with a height of 4 meters. Given MN equals JK equals MI equals 2 meters. You can try to answer this question first before clicking on the solution button. To draw the front elevation as viewed from X, we should determine the measurements for AB and MI only. Convert the units from meters to centimeters. And then draw the front elevation to scale. Fifth example. Draw the front elevation of the given object as viewed from X by using a scale of 1 to 30. Try it first and then click on the solution button to view the solution. To draw the front elevation as viewed from X, we should determine the height and the diameter of the two cylinders. Convert the measurements according to the scale given, and then draw the front elevation to scale. Notice that the front and the side elevations of this object are equal in shape and measurements. Based on a solid object, we can draw its plan, its side elevation, and also its front elevation. In this lesson, we learned how to draw the front elevation of a solid object to scale. Hence, it is very important that we already have the skill to determine the orthogonal projection of a solid object on a vertical plane. When drawing the front elevation of a large object or very small object, and if the scale is not given, we should use a suitable scale. The scale used is the ratio of the size of the drawing to the size of the original object. For example, the scale of 1 to 50 tells us that 1 centimeter in the drawing represents 50 centimeters on the original object.